Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm doing a fidget spinner challenge. Which of these suckers can spin the longest? So if you do not know how fidget spinners work, you just spin them. I'm a little late on this. I have 4 fidget spinners here. I'm actually going to be doing another video today. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've just been waiting for the one stuff to go and do its thing. I'm waiting for any brand, John Deere, or any brand John Deere, like that, on that part. All you gotta do is click on it, or if you go to $5,000, one tractor, awful equipment. For that series, I'm actually going to be doing La Corella 2.0 and roleplay, so that was going to be interesting. And so I guess you're here to see the fidget spinner challenge. Which of these 4 can spin the longest? It will not be accurate, but it's going to be good. Like, it's going to be accurate, but well, it's not going to be accurate because I have to. So I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I hope my voice sounds okay. I'm actually going to be doing a video on this right here, on how it shoots in a minute. Pretty cool. Right after this video goes up for you guys to watch, I will already be in the process of recording the one gun I just showed you. So, I guess you're here to see it, like I said. So, let's start. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I know I probably messed up on this one because I didn't spin it too well, so sorry. I'll be doing like 3 rounds of this to see if I'm accurate or not, but not doing it the same exact way. So we'll just see which one's the first round winner. I'm trying to make this video go by a bit faster. To give you a reference, I'm just going to shoot the power popper. I'm joking. I'm not going to mess up the challenge. This thing's actually pretty cool. Like, you just pull it back, push it forward, and then boosh, boosh, kaboosh, kabooshka. Oh, we have a bit of a change here. This one actually there's no way this one loses. It's also, imagine this one wins. I did that one last. I did this one first. The American flag one is out of the challenge. Well, we're gonna do 2 more rounds after this. It's out. Okay. 3 remain. This is the orange one that I have customized. It's not looking too healthy right now. I wish I wouldn't have customized it. Oh, it's gonna be close between this one and this one. Oh. The Tennessee one is done for. Now the camouflage one is done. Gone. Our winner is this. The Komatsu spinning thingy. This one's made different from the rest. These 2 have a bit of weights in them, as you can tell. This one, these 2 are made similar. So, the ones that have this made in them, not... The one on the right is made better. I don't know. I think this one has more weights than the one on the left. Okay, next challenge. I hope I don't get demonetized for the Komatsu. Oh well, if I do. Okay, challenge number 2. So the Komatsu has won, so... Oh, I gotta restart. Okay, now let's see which one goes out first. It's all just a matter of time. Let me scoot you guys back a bit. There we go. If you guys would like me to do more fidget spinner challenge, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Wait, did I do it the same exact way? I'll do it a different way, see if it changes. And who wins. If you guys do enjoy my channel, make sure to subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Oh, the American flag one's getting a bit of slow down action. Slowing down. Slowing down. Oh, wait, the American flag. I'll have to look back, but I'm pretty sure. Wait. Which one stopped? I don't know. I'll just keep counting which one won. Then I'll look back on the video, see which one lost. Which I'm pretty sure. The American flag one is out. I think the American flag one was the first one out last time. Whoops. The Tennessee one is now out. It's going the same exact way as it was before. And oh, the camouflage one is now out. Okay. Well, I'm actually just gonna rearrange the order. The Komatsu one has won again. Rearrange, rearrange, rearrange. I should be able to see it a bit better. Okay, now let's do the last round. 3, 2, 1. And we're off. Now I'm gonna start shooting the poppet gun. It's empty. I will be doing a review on the poppet gun. It's pretty fun. The pop action. It's kind of like a lever action. Wait. I don't know what I'm talking about. I've had this gun for a long time. Really fun to use. Everybody's going hard. About a minute into this round. As I say, everybody's going hard. They start slowing down. That's how you know it's good. Yeah. I do love fidget spinners. They're really fun. This is the last round. It's going to be close for everybody. They're all slowing down. The Tennessee one is out. The American flag one is out. And the camouflage one is out. They all went out at the same exact time. And again, the Komatsu one is the overall winner. It has won 3 rounds out of 3. The loser is the American flag one. Next to third place, we got this. And then second place, we have this. And then in first place, we got this one. The Komatsu. I think that's how you say it, right? Komatsu. Yes. There we go. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.